Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi and this is my channel Ada Code. Today I am going to show you how to run a shell script command in Vim editor using termux. For that we will require to install Vim editor in termux. For that simply type pkg install Vim and hit enter. As you can see, it is testing the available mirrors. Now, as you can see here, it is showing a cause that repository is under maintenance. Therefore, it cannot be installed. And nowadays, this is a very common problem arising in the latest termux version. And I have found a very simple solution for that. You have to simply type some commands. First, we will clear this window. Type clear and hit enter. Now we will type a command termux hyphen change repo and hit enter. As you can see, the change repository window has popped up. Here we will select the science repository, click OK, and next we will select the mirrors by Albatross hosted on termux mainly and hit enter. It will check the updates. Again, it is giving a possible cause, but we don't need this, so we will simply clear the window. And now we will try installing our Vim editor. For that, again type package install Vim and hit enter. As you can see, they have found the mirrors and they are asking us whether we want to continue or not. We will type Y and hit enter. Yes, as you can see, our Vim editor has been installed successfully. First, we will clear the window again. And we will try to open the editor. Type Vim and hit enter. As you can see, our Vim editor has been opened. Now many people have a very common question that how we can exit from this Vim editor. For that, first you have to change your edit mode to command mode, and for that hit escape, then give colons and type Q and hit enter, and here you got out of the Vim editor. Now we will create a sample program in which I'm to collect names from the user. Whatever user is going to open the program, they have to enter their name. For that, we will create a shell script program, and for that we will begin by doing it. First, I'll clear the window, then type vi, and I will simply give it a name as name.sh, that is for shell script extension, and hit enter. And as you hit enter, the Vim editor will open. Here I will type an echo command, echo double inverted commas, where I'll type enter your name. Again, I'll give the colon. This colon means that we have completed our statement which will be printed. And here we will require some variable in which we are going to store the values collected by the user. For that, we have to create a variable which will read, and the variable name will be name, and I'll hit enter. Now in the previous time when we were getting out of the Vim editor, there was nothing which we were going to save, but here we need to save the file and then get out of the Vim editor. For that, we will require to get out of the editor and go into the command mode. For that, hit the escape button, then type colons, then write WQ and hit enter. Now the file has been saved, and for running that file we have to type bash and the shell script name.sh and hit enter. As you can see, we had given a echo command. It was saying that enter your name. Here it is again blinking a cursor that you have to enter your name here, and here I'll type my name, that is Vaishnavi, and I'll hit enter. And as soon as we given it the variable value, it will come out of the bash. So I hope you like this video and you have learned how to create a shell script program and how to run it, how to install the package, and those all that repository issues were coming while installing the package has been solved. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.